This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include cooled seats, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than an ordinary used vehicle. A GM-certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Friendly Chevrolet is located at 2754 North Stemmons in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations so that you'll return for future visits.